Hello everyone, welcome to Peanut Butter channel. He's still wet. You right? He just took a shower and he got flowers here. Beautiful. Starting to come out the flowers. Right there too. What you complaining about? Huh? He got sunflowers here. Big ones. Ooh, the yellow birds start coming and eating the seeds. Yeah. The finished one already here. Oh. A flower there, it's empty. It's a yellow bird. I don't know the name. But peanut butter. Yeah. And we have papaya, dragon fruit. It's the red one. We have 2 buckets. It's a jasmine flower and pomegranate. Transferring that to a big pot next time. And then pineapple here. I feel like it's almost giving fruit. That one, but that one looks bad. It's not healthy. He needs plant food. Right, Peanut? Yeah? You're such a good boy. Yeah, you are. Yeah. No one can contest that you're a good boy. Right? Yeah. It's so hot out. Dry yourself so that we can go home if you feel hot outside already. Yeah? Pretty. Peanut butter. It's a good boy. Yeah. Peekaboo. Say hi. Hello. 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 Say hello. Hello. Bye bye, Peanut. Bye bye.